Oh, hi there. What you doing? I'm writing a channel comment to this woman I don't even know. Okay, so what are you writing to her if you don't even know her? You're a trashy whore! I hope you get cancer and die, you slutty cunt! Dude, what's your problem? Well, she had like a boyfriend, you know, and she totally like broke off with him. Right. So? And then she started seeing another guy, who's like a totally different new guy. Definitely not her ex. Fascinating. And you care about all this because she's a whore. Ah. Slut, 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 slut.
Look at how she moves her body, so promiscuous and naughty. She's a slut. She's a slut.
Slut shaming is the deliberate act of insulting a woman using sexist slurs in order to shame, humiliate, embarrass, degrade, or intimidate her. Basically trying to punish her for her actions or behavior or appearance which you don't personally approve of. And this can include pretty much anything. Having one or more sexual partners, dressing in a way you find provocative, acknowledging her own sexuality or acting on her sexual feelings, or in some cases simply being labeled as hot by the majority of people, or exuding too much confidence for your own comfort.
He's got a girl in Paris. He's got a girl in Rome. He's even got a girl in the Vatican Dome. Got a girl right here. Got a girl right there.
Yeah, these terms don't sound that much like insults, do they? And even when people use terms like man whore or man slut, it's usually in a rather jokish manner, and most of the times without negative connotations. I've heard so many excuses for it. People trying to justify it with nature, religion, history, psychology, hell, even evolution. I am a very rational person who doesn't believe in religious superstitions and myths. But from an evolutionary perspective and considering biological determinism, I can conclude that women's sexuality is fundamentally different from men's. And therefore it is socially abnormal for women to behave in certain ways, which are otherwise acceptable for men, okay? Which pretty much translates to female sexuality scares the crap out of me and makes me feel all insecure and shit. So even if I like to pretend I am a free thinker and highly educated in science matters, this shouldn't stop me from being a sexist, bigoted asshole so I can call women sluts and feel all better about myself, okay? Dear man, slut shaming is the easiest and cheapest way to insult a woman. You only need the IQ of a tomato to do it, so you probably should consider that most women have gone through this at one point or another. And that includes all the women you do care about. Your mother or sister or daughter if you have one, your wife or girlfriend, your female friends, you know, the good women, who you personally think highly of, were probably slut-shamed at least once in their life. And by people just like you. And I bet you wouldn't have liked it one bit if you're there to witness it. Would you like me to say bad things about your mama? Also, you may want to keep in mind that even if you feel temporarily empowered by slut-shaming women and thus feeling like you validated your own sexuality somehow, to the rest of the world you look like a brain-dead moron. Dear women, what's wrong with y'all? By doing this to other women and girls, you are basically validating slut-shaming as an acceptable form of insult. You are enabling the men to use the same methods. If you respect yourself as a woman, if you care at all about gender equality, you should not further this double standard. What the shit? In closing, I want to say that I know there are also social double standards that are discriminatory towards men. I am aware of that. But this is not the subject of this video. And two wrongs don't make a right. So please don't bring this up or I'm gonna get pissed and say bad things about your mama. Also, before I go, I have to mention the very lovely XXX, the Peach XXX, who after some unfortunate YouTube drama bullshit closed down her channel. The good news is that she decided to come back and now has reopened her channel. The bad news is that all her videos got deleted. Aww. And I absolutely love her videos, so this kinda turned me a little bit psycho. I want Peach! And also pretty depressed. Okay, that was awkward. Right now she's re-uploading all her videos, so please, if you haven't already, go check out her channel and subscribe to her because she's full of awesome, and also because you really love your mama. And you will piss off the Pope. And you'll fix global warming. You'll basically be an American hero. Unless you're like Canadian or something, but that's just details.